Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So this week I thought of unboxing something different. We usually unbox Hot Wheels, Matchbox, these kind of brands. So I wanted to unbox. I did unbox one of the cars from this brand sometime back. I don't know, maybe 6 months back if I'm not wrong. So I don't see much of a views, but I really liked it. So I thought of getting it more. I did even do some shots sometime back. I think a month back or so. So I actually bought three of it from that particular brand. So I thought of unboxing it this week. Let's start from this. This is the very first one. This is the 57 Chevy Bel Air. I do have this Bel Air in 1:18 scale, which I very recently bought. That looks absolutely awesome. And that is, I think, from Motormax. And okay, so in this series, I don't think I have anything else apart from this. So yeah, so it is okay. This is from series 2 again. I need to ask some of my friends to get these kind of things. I know I am not getting anywhere else. So the second one is this. So this is the SR5 Toyota pickup, and this one looked really nice. It looks actually different. So this one's actually a gift from my wife. So yeah, so this is number one in this series. This is series 6, and I don't think I have anything else in the series. Yeah, I don't have anything else from this series. But let me show you the third one, which I personally loved the moment I saw, which is this set. So this is the Eldorado and Chevy Fleetline. I personally love Cadillacs, and this Eldorado looks really fire, and the Chevy Fleetline looks absolutely awesome. And this is from Series 7 double pack. So if you just see this one, you can see there is a Cadillac Eldorado here, and I don't know if it has a Fleetline. Yeah, it doesn't have a Fleetline. So it does have an Eldorado here that is in pink color, but I personally love this one because of the livery they put on this. Looks really beautiful. So it doesn't have any other uh, cars from the set in the listed on the back. So this is from Dead Sleds. I think that's the series they're doing. So I didn't collect much of this brand, and I have only one. Let me show you that, which is literally here. You, yeah, that is the one which we unboxed sometime back. The next one, that is a Maisto actually. I do love that Maistos. Okay, so these three we will be unboxing this week. So I really want to know how you guys feel about these castings, because I personally love this. This small versions of it. I don't know. It looks kind of cute and it saves some space. And I don't know. I do like it from my childhood, so that's the reason I buy it. Yeah, your reason might be different, but yeah, we will be unboxing these three this week. Stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.